This step-by-step tutorial will show you how to make a floppy dog ear fleece hat. Just download the free pattern by following the link in the description below, and I'll walk you through how to make it. Start by applying interfacing to the inner section of the ears as indicated by the dotted line on the pattern. Then you want to sew the ears together with right sides together. Leave the inner side of the ear unsewn. Then you want to trim the seam and turn the ears to the right side. Next, we will prep the hat. Sew the hat pieces in sets of 2 with right sides together. Then you want to baste the dog ears on one side of the hat. Sandwich the dog ears between the 2 hat pieces and sew down that center seam. Then you want to trim the seam and turn the dog hat to the right side. Now let's get the band ready. Fold the band in half and sew the short side to create a loop. Then you want to trim the seam and fold the band in half lengthwise with wrong sides together. After that, you want to line up the raw edges and sew the band around the base of the hat, and then trim the seam and press the band down. And you are already finished. You have a cute dog ear fleece hat.